What's up, guys? Do you feel like credit cards are a necessary evil, a ticking time bomb for your finances? Or maybe you're avoiding them altogether, convinced they'll ruin your future? What if I told you that much of what you think you know about credit cards is wrong, and these myths might be costing you hundreds, if not thousands, every year? Stick around, because today, we're shattering the 7 biggest credit card myths that could be holding you back from living the wealthy, stress-free lifestyle you deserve. And trust me, myth number 7 will change the way you think about credit cards forever. Myth 1. Carrying a balance improves your credit score. Let's start with one of the most expensive lies. Carrying a balance will boost your credit score. Spoiler alert, it doesn't. In fact, all it does is drain your wallet with interest charges. Credit scores are about how responsibly you use your credit, not how much you owe. Paying off your balance in full every month shows lenders you're financially disciplined, and it saves you from those nasty interest rates. Think about it. Would you run a marathon in flip-flops just to prove you're committed to running? No? Then why carry unnecessary debt? Myth 2. Closing old credit cards helps your score. Here's another trap. Closing old credit cards improves your score. Wrong. Closing accounts can actually shorten your credit history, which makes up 15% of your credit score. Instead, keep that old card open, even if it's just sitting in your drawer. It's like keeping a loyal friend who boosts your reputation. Myth 3. You should never apply for multiple cards. Some people think applying for multiple credit cards is a surefire way to tank your score. While applying for several cards in a short span isn't wise, strategic applications for cashback, travel perks, or balance transfers can be game changers. Remember, it's about using credit to your advantage, not letting it use you. And speaking of perks, wait until we get to myth number 6. It's a life hack that can save you thousands on everyday purchases. Myth 4. Credit cards are only for big purchases. Who said credit cards are only for major expenses? In reality, they're perfect for everyday purchases, as long as you're paying them off. Many cards offer cashback or rewards for things like groceries, gas, and streaming services. It's like getting paid to spend money you were going to spend anyway. Myth 5. Avoid credit cards for better financial health. Here's a dangerous one. Avoiding credit cards altogether is the smartest move. While this might help you avoid debt, it can leave you with no credit history, which could make it harder to rent an apartment, buy a car, or even land certain jobs. Using a credit card responsibly is one of the easiest ways to build a solid financial foundation. It's like trying to get a gym membership without ever having lifted a weight. They're going to have questions. Myth 6. Rewards. Cards are only for wealthy people. Think rewards cards are just for the rich? Think again. Many cards offer no annual fees and reward everyday spending. Whether it's 1% cashback or travel miles, these benefits add up. Imagine earning free flights or extra cash just for paying your bills. How's that for a life hack? But if you think rewards are impressive, wait until you hear about the myth that's quietly robbing millions of people every year. Myth 7. Paying early hurts. Your credit score. This one might shock you. Paying your credit card bill early can hurt your score. False. In fact, paying early can lower your credit utilization, which makes up 30% of your credit score. This little trick can boost your score and keep you ahead of the game. So next time someone tells you to wait until the due date, smile, and pay early, you're playing on expert mode. Credit cards are powerful tools if you know how to use them. By breaking free from these myths, you can take control of your finances, build a stronger credit score, and unlock opportunities most people miss.